Hello viewers, I am Arka and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you the process of removing your stock windshield from Yamaha R15 version 3 and installing an aftermarket windshield. So most of the people remove their stock windshield to install a double bubble visor or double bubble windshield available easily on aftermarket, but I will not install any double bubble windshield in this case in my motorcycle. So what is the windshield? Why I have selected that windshield over the stock one or over the double bubble windshield? So I will explain everything in detail. You decide whether my selection for that particular windshield is right or wrong, whether that particular windshield is better in terms of every aspect comparing to the OEM one or the original one that Yamaha is providing with R15 version 3. So now let's go straight and see the windshield that I am going to install in my bike, that is Yamaha R15 version 3. Its shape is identical to the stock one or the original one. You can see that it is not a double bubble windshield for your reference. But why I have chosen this windshield? The reason and the deal maker is the R logo. I hope you can see the R logo here. So this R logo is identical to the Yamaha's R series or the race series. So this is the first and the most important option to select this windshield, and this emblem from its back. On the front it is exactly plain, but on the back it is emblemed. You can see the R logo is emblemed from the back. So this is really good, and this is not exactly black, but this is transparent but not white. It's black or it's smoke. And just look at its quality or the thickness. You can see that its thickness is identical to the OEM one. So there is no issue installing this because I am not compromising with the quality. And just look at the fitting grooves. The fitting grooves are also exactly OEM grade. Even the lower clips are also present there. In cheaper double bubble visor or double bubble windshield, this portion is generally missing. But in this windshield, these two clamps are also there, or the holes are also there. This mirror base is also here, and this lower clip is there. Everything is there in this windshield, and that is the reason I am loving this a lot. So here comes the R logo. So this is how the windshield will look like. And really its build quality is amazing. Once again I am telling you, its build quality is really amazing. Now without any further delay, let's go straight and remove the stock windshield, and after that I will install this one in my Yamaha R15 version 3, and after that I will show you how it looks, how it feels, and I will give you a small demonstration while riding my motorcycle and how does it look like when I am riding it. In order to install this windshield, and that is lying on the floor, you can see right now, we just need to remove this mirror and this stock windshield. So in order to remove this mirror, we need to remove this bolt cap. So I will start removing these bolt caps. There are total 4 such caps. You can see 1, 2, 3, and here comes the 4th. All the bolt caps have been removed. Now I will remove these mirrors. Bolt number 1, bolt number 2, here it is, bolt number 3, and one mirror is already removed, and I have removed the bolt number 4, and the mirrors and the number plate holder along with the number plate is removed. So here are the bush, so we need to remove this bush also. So here are total 4 bush, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I will remove this windshield by removing these stock screws. So 4 screws have been removed. Now I will just pull it outside. And you can see that here it is, the stock windshield that is transparent in color. Now the difficult thing is that I need to remove these 4 rubber bush and install them in the same spot on the aftermarket windshield. So I will just pull them from behind. 4 bushes have been removed. Now the difficult part is that I need to install them on this windshield. So before that, I will just compare both of them. You can see they are built completely same to same. Their grooves are also same. That is the reason this one is superior comparing to other aftermarket ones. So this is the toughest part according to me. I have installed successfully 1 bush. 2 bushes have been installed. 3 bushes have been installed. And here it is, the last one. So bush number 4 is also installed. Now I will place it here. Before that, make sure the rubber is in its original place. At last, the windshield is also installed perfectly. I will put all these 4 bushes here in its original place. Now I will put all the screws. Now I will put back this number plate bracket along with the respective mirrors. You can see the 4 bolts have been installed and the mirrors have been installed and the number piece also has been installed. Now I will put back these caps, bolt caps. So the installation of aftermarket windshield in my Yamaha R15 version 3 is complete. You can see the look has been transformed completely, so it's looking really fantastic. I will give you a close look. You can see that how the look has been transformed. If you can watch it from a distance, then also you will see the look has been transformed and it's looking pretty fantastic. I am loving it a lot. Just now you have watched the unboxing and installation of aftermarket windshield in my Yamaha R15 version 3. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit on the notification icon and select all options to be notified regarding my latest uploads. Show your love in form of thumbs up. And if you have anything to know from me, then feel free to put your comments in the comment box. Thank you for watching till the end.